Hello guys, good morning. Ayer ya no pude mandarles el video, I'm sorry, but here it is, porque les dejé una pequeña tarea, just a little bit of homework, okay? So we work with the page number 109, aquí está la página, 109. The first thing that we did, it was this listening, okay? This audio, and we have to decide which option is the correct. What is she recycling? What is he doing with water? So let's listen.
1. What is she recycling?
What are you recycling? Is it metal? No, we don't have any metal trash today. I'm recycling lots of glass bottles. Can I have some of those bottles? My mom cleans them up and reuses them. Sure.
2. What is he doing with water?
Do you waste water, Sean? No, I don't. I turn the water off when I'm brushing my teeth, so I don't waste it. I reuse water too. That's great. How do you reuse water? I collect rainwater and use it to water my plants.
Nice. Okay, so you choose A or B in both questions, and we check it out later. Now, the next activity is this quiz. Dice, do the quiz circle. Vamos a encerrar cuál respuesta ustedes van a escoger, A, B, or C. We have 3 questions or 3 situations because it's not a question, okay? Y nos preguntan o nos dicen, you have a plastic bottle. Do you recycle it, reuse it, throw in the trash? Which one? The 3 answers sounds good, right? Or the 3 possible answers sounds good. Recycle it, reciclarla. Reuse it, reusarla. Usarla de nuevo. Or throw in the trash, tirarla en la basura. Well, the last one probably is the less, the less correct. Number 2, you see some metal cans on the ground in the park. Do you? ¿Qué haces? Recycle them, throw them in the trash, or leave them there? Okay. 3, what's the best thing we can do to save the environment? Use less plastic, plant trees, nothing. Okay, so you have to choose in each case what letter, A, B, or C. Now, next part, we did this exercise, this activity right here. Number 1, order the letters and write the words. Vamos a ordenarlas porque están todas desacomodadas esas letras, and they're gonna make a word de las que hemos estado viendo. Okay, it's real easy. Y fue lo que estuvimos haciendo en esta actividad. And the last one, esta fue la pequeña tarea que les encargué. Write words from 1 next to the definitions. O sea que le van a poner ahí la palabrita que ustedes crean que es de lo que estamos hablando en cada caso. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First one, to use less of something so you don't create waste. ¿Cuál de estas palabritas será? Number 2, the things we throw away. 3, to use something again. That's easy. 4, the world and nature around us. And number 5, to make trash into something new by changing its form. Okay, so you have to just choose what word is the one for that definition. That's the homework, okay? I'm gonna check it out on Monday. Please do it, okay? Bueno, nos vemos entonces el día Monday. Have a great weekend. And de nuevo, I'm sorry porque no lo pude mandar ayer, but here it is, okay? See you later. Bye, bye.